Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make some sweet and spicy chicken wings. First you want to cut your chicken and wash, and then you using a kitchen towel just want to tap it dry, just like so. Tap 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 tap. I've transferred my chicken into a bowl. To season the chicken, I use white pepper, salt, grill mix, black pepper and white pepper, ginger powder, paprika, a pinch of stock cube. This is strictly optional, but I like the taste of my chicken. I also added cornstarch and cooking oil, and then all you have to do is mix and mix. I use my hand, that's the best way to mix the chicken. Mix and ensure everything is fully coated. Transfer your chicken to a baking tray and grill for 15 to 18 minutes depending on your oven or until fully cooked. To make the glaze, I added butter. I just put it in the pan and allow it to melt for some few seconds, and then I added hot sauce. You can use any hot sauce you have. I can link the one I've used below. And I added onion and paprika just to give it color, just nothing else. So at this point, I just kept stirring my sauce until everything was fully melted, which brings us to the fun part. So pour your glaze into your chicken. Guys, just help me. Look at this sauce. It's so beautiful. It's really nice. So pour your sauce into your chicken and mix. Make sure every part of the chicken is fully coated. Oof. So lovely, so tasty. I hope you try it out. So yeah, just keep stirring and stirring, making sure every corner of your chicken is fully coated. So here you have it, guys, my sweet and spicy chicken wings. I hope you have enjoyed watching this recipe. I do hope you try it out with your friends and family, and please like, share and subscribe if not already subscribed to my channel. Until next time, take care and bye.